Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Viral Nails by Anjali Gupta. Today I am here to show you up the refilling of your nails. How I do refilling to my nails. So firstly I started with the tip cutter. This is my tip cutter. With the help of this I will cut the length of the nail accordingly, same to the all nails. After that I used my filer from Shields Professional. I file my nails and remove the product from it. Similarly to all other nails, I use this cuticle cutter to remove the stone I used in my design. Cuticle cutter will easily remove the stones from the designs. Then I file it again. Similarly to all my nails to remove the product. Generally, we all remove 70-80% of our old set to make the new set perfect. Further, I use this soft buffer. Its one side is of 100 and another side is for 180. The difference between 100 and 180 is one side is softer and the other one is harder. But this is called our buffer, soft buffer. After that I remove the dust with the help of puffy brush from the surface also. We clean our surface. After that we use acetone free. We use acetone free in this process with the help of lint free wipes, removing all the dust, clean our nails. It is a very essential part. After that we use dehydrator to hydrate our nails. Important part to use primer or Pro Bond with dehydrator, or we can say that immediately after dehydrator we can use primer or Pro Bond to all our nails. This is the part first of our refilling video. The another part is in the next video. For that you can subscribe my channel. I hope you like my videos. This is acrylic powder monomer and the vodka glass. No, this is not a vodka glass. This is dampened dish which is used for refilling. Thank you.